Hello guys, welcome back to CID. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how can you make image drag and drop system in your pyqt5 windows. Here, as you can see, I have made a simple image drag drop window in pyqt5 where there is one label which is saying image drag drop example. It is the app name suppose, and this is the area in which you will drag your image. Okay, let's see with the example that how can you drag it and how does it work. Suppose here these are the images, and now if I'll drag here, then you will see that it is shown here. Okay, if I will drag another image, then it will be dragged like this. It is working. Okay, so let's see how can you make this. Here I have already made the example program for image drag drop system in pyqt5. So I'll just elaborate in front of you, and I will provide the full source code in my GitHub account. You can get that code from there. Here I have made one class called imageDDLabel. Okay, in this file the file name is imageDDLabel. So you will just have to import imageDDLabel class, that is image drag drop label class, from imgddlabel file. Okay, as you can see here I have given the example. In my example here, first of all I am calling the QApplication class and making the object as app, and then I am loading one UI file with this line. If you are making your application by your own, then you can directly call that class here and you can use in the same way. Here I'm just calling my class, and suppose this is the class which is calling my label. Okay, so you are creating a label here actually. Okay, this label is, as you can see in my class, it is inheriting QLabel class, right? So you are just making a label with calling my class, and then I am just trying to add this widget in L1 layout. Okay, L1 layout is in my UI. If I'll show you, let me show you first. So this is the window.ui file I'm opening in the Qt designer, and you will see that there is one label only, and this is in the layout L1. Okay, that's the thing in which I am just adding my next widget, that is imgddlabel, which is creating by calling this class. Okay, and then I am calling my ui.show, so it will be shown, and app.execute, so it will be executed. Okay, so now let me elaborate what is my class doing. Here in my class, first of all it is inheriting QLabel, and then under the initialization method one argument is necessary here, that is line edit. Okay, it is default, by default it is none. Okay, so suppose if in your program you want the path of the image, then you will need one line edit in which you will paste the path of the image you are drawing, right? That's why I have given here the line edit. Okay, and then it is calling super.init, that is the initializer method of QLabel, and then it is first of all set accept drops. It's just doing that if you are willing to accept the drag drop system in your QLabel, then you will have to pass like this. Okay, set accept drops and then pass here true. Okay, by default it is false. And then I'm making the line edit as the line edit of my class, so that I can use this line edit in another methods too. That's why I'm doing this line. And now setting the alignment as the center, setting the text tag that drag your image here, setting the style set something like this. And then I have made two methods. Okay, these two methods are similar to the QLabel methods. First method is drag enter event, second one is drop event. Okay, so first of all let me elaborate drag enter event. Drag enter event is saying that it will ask for one event, and if event have the image, Okay, if event has the image, then event will be accepted, otherwise it will be ignored. Okay, in the drop event same thing is happening. First of all, it is saying that if dropping the documents will have the image, then the event.setDrop action will be called, and the action is copy action. That means you will just copy the image in your queue label. Okay, and then it is saying that image path, let's get the image path. Okay, suppose if you need the image path, then you will do like this. You will get the image path with calling event.memdata.urls 0 then to local file, so it will be called here. Okay, so if you want suppose you are copying from the internet your files from the internet, then it will be also called here, and the file path from the internet will be copied here also. Okay, so it will work not only for the local files but also for the internet files. And then I'm calling here that self.setImage path. Set image is the one method here. Okay, and it is again saying that event.accept and event.ignore. Okay, if it will have the image, then event will be accepted. If it has not the image, then it will be ignored. Now under the set image method, what I am saying that it is firstly asking about the image path. Okay, what is the image path? So image path is copied here, image path is copied from here, right? Then image path is here, and then I'm saying that trying to get the image path and converting into pyqt5 for setting the pyqt5 in our queue label. That's why I'm using here pyqt5, then converting in the pyqt5 with this method. And then I'm also saying that let's scale our image path. If you are not willing to scale your image, then you can just comment it out or you can remove this line, right? Okay, but here I'm saying that let's scale the image with the size of our queue label. Okay, so what are the scaled methods? First of all, it will be scaled with the width of our label and height of our label, and also keep the aspect ratio of the image, and also let's smooth the transformation also. Okay, and now after that I'm setting the pyqt5. Okay, that's it. Now let me show you again what it is saying, that it is our queue label. Okay, our queue label, which is this one, imgdd label, and here it is asking that drag your image here. And now what I will do, let's do it again, image dragging dropping system. And here first of all let me drag here, so it will be scaled with the size of our queue label, right? But suppose if you will just maximize this, then you will see that the image size is the previous one. Okay, but let me change something here. I will just remove this thing, Alt+3, and now let's drag it again. Then you will see here that it is dragged with the default size of the image. Okay, so this will work like that. So if you need like that, then you can use like that, but I need like this, then I'm using this method also. One more thing, suppose if you have your line edit in which you want the image path, so that you can use this image path in your program, right? So what you will do, suppose if you have line edit, then you will pass the line edit here in this class. Okay, suppose if you have the line edit, then you will pass in the calling of the imagedd label class, right? So as you can see in this example UI, there is no any line edit. Okay, so let's make one line edit here first. So what I will do, I'll just use the line edit here. Okay, after image drag drop example label. Okay, and let's give the maximum size of it like 25. Okay, so I am doing like this. Okay, and we can remove the margins if you want, but we don't want. Okay, now let's save it, and now let's rename this as something. Okay, leave it as line edit. Okay, you can remember the object name of the line edit is line edit. Okay, now let me come with the code here, and here what I will do is I'll just pass here the line edit name. So what is the line edit name now? UI dot line edit. Okay, so line edit is the object name of the line edit, and UI is the object of our UI file. So I'll call here UI dot line edit. Okay, so let's pass here in this label, and now let's save, and now let's run it. So as you can see, there is the line edit, and this is the drag drop image here label, and now let's drag the image again. Okay, suppose I am dragging the image of this girl. So as you can see, this is passed here, but this is not giving the path here in the line edit. So what I will do, I will come here in the try block, and I will call the self dot line edit. As you can see, this is the self dot line edit, which is here, which is just calling the line edit, which is coming under the initialization method. So I will use it here, and I will call self dot line edit dot set text, and under this I will pass the image path. I will pass the image path. As you can see here that I am just changing the image path into the QPix map, and again saving into the image path. That's why I am just calling this before doing this. Okay, so just remember it before using. And now let's run it. Now let's copy the image again, and now you will see that it is showing here the image path. Okay, let's do it with the another image, and now you will see that it is working like that. Okay, so I hope guys you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have enjoyed, then please hit on the like button guys, and also share to your friends so that they will also get benefit of this video. I will provide the full source code in my GitHub account. You can copy that and use it in your program. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in next video.